Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a country wall in Scratch. So first we'll get rid of the cat sprite. I don't know why I made the scuffiest version of the cat sprite possible, but let's just brush that aside. Now, now to make your country wall, first you want to make a circle, preferably at the size of 64 by 64 pixels. You, you, I'll make it a little smaller, but nah, I'll just go for 64 pixels. 66, whatever. Now, what you want to do is, when you make a country ball, you never want perfect circles. You want to make them a little blobby. So, use the reshape tool by selecting this icon here. Then, click on your circle. Click on this bottom point. Move it up by holding shift to snap it to a 45-degree increments. Now move it up to make it look a little blobby. Now you want to snap it to the center of the stage. Now, what you want to do is you want to add an outline. 7 pixels is okay. Now, I'm going to copy, paste it, and remove the fill. This is so that when we add extra colors and we don't want outlines, it doesn't end up with weird artifacting like this. Instead, it does something more like this. So you can have outline-free colors inside your country. Now, to make some shading. Now for this, I'm going to be using a tool called Scratch Add-ons, which is a browser extension for Google Chrome and Firefox. Now, you can enable the opacity slider, and then you can copy and paste it, move it backward, and then you can erase away some of your stuff like that. By the way, make sure to select your sprite before erasing it, or otherwise this will happen. Now, what you're gonna do is you're going to select the fill, then you're going to take this dark purple color, make it dark purple, then make the opacity low. Now, whenever you change the color, it will add shading. It looks much better than a transparent black because it's adding some extra color. If you're doing this with yellow, it will look fine unless you're going into greeny sort of hues. So just try not to use those. Now that you've got your nice meatball here, you can start to draw some circles for the eyes. This time, you don't need to make them blobby for the neutral expression. Now you can add an outline of 4 and make the fill white. Now you can take your eye, copy and paste it, and move it around by holding shift to move it in straight segments. You can make the eyes a little smaller if you need to. And wha-bam! You just made the basic country ball. Now you can duplicate it and add details. Like for example, if you want to make the India country ball, erase away the middle, take your base country ball color, copy, paste it in, move it to the back layer, and then you can change this to be an orange, this middle to be a white, and this bottom to an orange, and then you can add the Ashoka Chakra, but I'm not going to do, I'm just going to replace it with a blue circle for time's sake. Now we have our country ball. You can use any flag you want with this template, and it's quite useful if you want to make comics, because in Scratch it's quite easy with the speech tool. You just go into looks, use the say block to make him say whatever you want. Then you can just right click on the stage, click save image as to save a picture of everything, including the speech bubbles. Now that you're done with this country ball tutorial, make sure to go to my channel on YouTube, like, subscribe, and share this video to literally everyone. And this is Bovneath out.